In wiring diagrams, you can search on high-level items or direct components. So let's look for an oxygen sensor, and that might be called an O2 sensor. So let's search that. And in seconds here, we have access to all the different oxygen sensors. So let's look at number 22. And on any of these, you can just pinch and zoom in on what you're looking for. You'll have print capability as well. You can also search at a high level where you could just type in a high level components like engine, transmission, electrical, lighting. Let's search on engine. And here it's going to return things like engine charging system. Let's look at engine speed controls. Let's pinch and zoom, and let's say you're looking for that steering column control module, and it's got a pinout of C2414A. So let's go to figures, let's type in that C2414A, do a search, and it's going to take me to that wiring harness. Let's click on that, and then you can actually find the figure, pinch and zoom, and there's that C2414A. And not 100% of the time can you use the actual numbers, but you could also use the component name. So let's say you typed in steering column, and let's search on steering column, and in figures it's going to return those as well. And it's just another way that you can find that same pinout. Hopefully that's helpful.